Never think about can't. Nigga, I'm solution based. I don't listen to problems to gossip with niggas. And I understand. But niggas don't have no fucking heart. You can't go to war with niggas who love tangible things. And niggas talk that fucking warrior shit, but these niggas is so unproven. But you give your loyalty to niggas who are unproven, who do shit for money and that's it. They don't do shit for the love of the people. And the biggest commodity of anything is the fucking people. It's no you without the people. Don't give a fuck how much money you got.
One ton of gang till I die. I'm from the east side. If you see my niggas in the streets, you better run. It's a gangsta party, niggas throwing gang signs. When I pull up with my niggas, yeah, we go wild east side. Please don't kill my vibe. I don't wanna die, I just wanna leave a legacy. Now I bounce back, cause I do this for my family. I'm sick on the mic, tell the DJ bring a medicine. I was born for the shit, let me tell these niggas. I do this for my hood, I don't hang with these bitches. I don't wanna fake it, I just wanna chase it. Sometimes when I got a lot of shit on my mind, I'm just staring at the sky and you're thinking that I'm high, cause I'm rolling up the plan. If you want it, pay the price, cause I do this for the cops, and I do this for my mom, and I do this for my daughter, and I gotta work hard, dear God. Let me do what I gotta do. I will die for my niggas and I gotta move. It's time to kill, nigga, and I gotta shoot Montana gang, nigga, till I get rich. All my homies got peace and we gotta eat. Off a tree, that's where I came from, nigga. That toys coming out for real, nigga. Rest in peace to my OG Montana gang till I die. I'm from the east side. If you see my niggas in the streets, you better run. It's a gangsta party, niggas throwing gang signs. When I pull up with my niggas, yeah, we go wild east side. Please don't kill my vibe. I don't wanna die, I just wanna leave a legacy. Now I bounce back, cause I do this for my family. I'm sick on the mic, tell the DJ bring a medicine. For respect to my name, I wanna RSA. I came a long way and I'm here to change the game. I'm rapping for the moolah, nigga, wanna get paid. When I pull up in the studio, I pull up like a raid. All my people can relate, no pain, no gain. Life is not the same, every day I see the change. I will never stop, keep on walking on my way. Do this for the nation and my family all the way.